I'm Mallory May, and this is Chris.
Hi, and we're completely bored out of our minds right now.
Fucking bored out of our minds.
Totally.
Let's go to my house.
I would love to. We're totally bored out of our dark souls.
He snores at night. Oh my god. I recorded him snoring. Where's my phone? Shit.
Like, here,
Okay.
find it.
Sure. Here's somewhere. Oh, Joe texted me. Yay. Okay, wait. Oh, it's in here. Look at the loud one. The very loud one. And that was Chris snoring.
And right now, I'm in West Covina right now.
And I live in the West Covina.
She lives here. I live in Barstow. Anyways, well, I'm here just to get my mind off things, and it worked.
No, he came here for me. He wanted my sex again.
Oh, yeah.
I love gay sex. Okay, not that gay. Sorry, I gotta text somebody.
Well, yeah, this is my trip, and I'm having fun, and yeah, we're hot.